Tapswap daily video code. All right, I'm going to give you the code to all the videos one after the other because some of you have been asking for the code for a particular video. All right, so I'm going to start with the first one, which is new into crypto. For this particular one, which is new into crypto, look at the title at the top here. The code for this particular one is 739551. 739551. Okay, that's for that. Then the next one, followed by Tapswap education. The code for Tapswap education is 030072. 030072. You just need to jot this down, as I could not just display this on screen. Okay, let me just type. The code for Tapswap education is 030072. That's the code for Tapswap education. So you see that this just have to close the bot, so I have to run the bot again. All right, so let's get all right, so let's proceed with this. Okay, I head back to the tab section. Why watch the first token video. For this particular one, there's no code required, so you just have to watch the video for some minutes. After 3 minutes, you return back and click on finish that, and that is that. Learn what the tone is. The code for that one is 548719. That is for this. The code for this particular one is 548719. Okay, I've said that already. Then what's the video? The code for this one is 5. The code for this particular one is 5. Okay, what's the first video? Or what's the first video? The code for that one is 739002. 739002. And lastly, learn 5 crypto terms. Learn 5 crypto terms. The code is 2614907. That's the code for that. So I click on submit. So you see when I click on submit, I click on finish. So if you have missed the code for any of the days, I will display the code on the screen so that you can see the codes. So if you like this video, please share with your friends, like, and subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Do have a wonderful day. If you have any question or urgent answer to one of the airdrop you're mining, just feel free to contact me in the Telegram channel or Telegram group. Do have a wonderful day. Thank you.